Let's fix this binding skipping ratchet by Popular Mechanics. I believe they were sold before by Walmart, no longer sold anymore. Before that, I'm not entirely sure, but if you know any history about these ratchets, please put it below in the comments section. Fairly straightforward. Let's get into it. Everything I use will be linked in the description box below. I always like to start by taking a wire brush and just cleaning off all the surface rust since we're going to be getting it all clean on the inside. Now we'll want to take our spring clip pliers just to remove this retaining clip. Now we'll use the lube of choice. I use Super Lube. You can use what you'd like. I like to coat the spring. Next, the ball. Now, we'll want to grease the pawl. This is going to be the hardest part here. So they do make a special tool that you can use to compress the ball onto the spring, so you can put the pawl in place here. But so we don't have that, so we'll just do it the old-fashioned way, which is get the pawl in one hand, ready, and then use the other hand to press down on the pick and the ball. I'm going to instead try this precision screwdriver. So instead of trying to do something round with round, I can do something flat. Look at that. Easy peasy. Now, we're just going to fill this up with grease and then close it up. Okay. Now let's do the head here of the Ratchet. Let's give her a listen. Nice and quiet. And that's how you lubricate a Popular Mechanics Ratchet. Questions or comments, please leave them below. Everything I used will be linked in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video.